5 seconds to talk anymore. Because now it's like, I just gotta get right. Are you still playing with that? Okay, don't turn that around.
I wasn't playing on it.
Hello, everybody. I'm Lisa.
I'm Simone.
And today we're doing FabFitFun. We've had this box for a minute, like a couple weeks, and I just hadn't done it. FabFitFun is a nice mixed box. You can kind of customize it a little bit. You can pick choices. They give you it's about $49.95 every 3 months, but you get a year subscription, and it's significantly different. It's like $175 for a year, and I personally think it's worth it. So anyway, without scrapping about anymore, let's do this. Do we have the? Uh-oh. Where did it go? We opened it and we must have laid the thing aside. God, I hate when we do that. Anyway, we'll just wing it. This is a Foreo, and this Simona's gonna love. It's the little face scrubbing thing. It's battery operated and all that good stuff. It's a face cleaner. And this is a nice size, so she's going to enjoy that. Luna Folio Fofo Fuchsia. Anyway, and that's, I don't know, about 20 or 30 bucks, I think, as I recall. And Coola Classic Face Sport Sunscreen. And we go to the River of Light, and they go to the beach a good bit. What the hell happened to that? Oh, look.
We get tan?
Do that one. Whoa. Anyway, there you go. Apparently we've got some filters going on. And anyway, it's farm to face. Water resistant, 80 minutes. Cruelty free. Little bunnies. Alright. And that's not cheap either.
Pier 1 imports.
Maybe we'll find the thing down at the bottom.
Oh, this was the thing that's such a... this is so pretty. Oh, marble disc with a gold trim outline. It's just...
ceramic.
It's cute, though. It's just like...
What are you going to put on it?
It's a sucker dish
Slut
now.
box. Turn your sucker around real quick. Whoop, put them back. That came out of the slut box. It's a sucker dish now. It did not come out of this box. Okay. Anyway, we got to do something a while ago. We got to meet Susie Port from North Dakota.
We did. It was so much fun, and we enjoyed having lunch with you and your family.
Oh my God, so nice to meet you. And Lloyd Ann, was that her name? Her mother-in-law's name is Lloyd Ann. Lloyd Ann, who ever heard of it? She said there's one other person in the whole United States with that name, and they live in Washington State. I wonder who thought to name somebody Lloyd Ann.
It's a beautiful name.
It's a beautiful name. Anyway, thank you so much for taking the time out from your trip all the way to Panama City to meet with us and have lunch with us today. It was good to see you. All right, papaya enzyme peel. And I just love these things. I accidentally left a peel on my face a couple of days ago overnight. I fell asleep. Woke up the next day, my face was blistered and bumpy. Oh, it was horrible. And like I said, all these products are not inexpensive, so I'll try to find something and list them. Tarte makeup palette. What? Do you want me to hold that sucker for you?
Where'd my sucker dish go? Yeah, some pretty colors.
And Tarte, I love Tarte.
That's gonna look pretty.
I don't know that I'm not going to re-gift this because I've got all these colors and other things. But Tarte is really such a nice product. Anyway.
Brighten up.
Got to replace the one Alexis took.
Exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe.
Papaya seems to be a thing.
Smells like sunscreen.
Smells like sunscreen? Anyway, it's a cleaner, I guess. Cleanser, yep. It does kind of smell like sunscreen.
And then we all know what liquid eyeliner looks like. And this is also by Tarte. And Sexy Killer.
I imagine she'll be in and out with that.
Because I'm a sexy killer. I can't control myself sometimes. It happens. Body caviar.
Oh, Marianella body caviar. Hawaii. Remember the old folks go, I'm going to Hawaii.
Oh yeah, open this up because I have to know what it looked like. Because it looks like caviar fish eggs.
Smells better.
Oh God, I'd hope so. But it's dope. Holy,
Uh,
there's some oils in there.
with charcoal. And what is it? A body scrub? How to use. Body caviar, so. Anyway, I'll be keeping this.
Then we have a cute little makeup bag.
This is one of the things you got to pick your colors on and things like that.
And everybody needs a good travel makeup bag. I got like 4 million of them. Goodness.
That is really cute.
And it's got a spot up top where it holds your brushes.
Really?
Yeah, see.
Oh,
It has all
cool.
your little travel stuff and packed. And then the inside you can put your foundations, your palettes, and everything else in. Which this is actually a really good one. And
$50 gift. Enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 or more. Woo! Yes. All right, putting that back up. Anyway, that's cute. She'll end up with that. Is that it? And that, my friends, was the FabFitFun box. And this is by Juliana Rancic.
oh, and we forgot our marine straw because plastic straws are getting stuck up turtles' noses.
They should quit sniffing stuff out of
Did you know
straws. Did I just say that?
But
I'm
this
sorry,
is a
that's not politically correct.
plastic straw that says, "This straw saves Marine's life. Visit giveasip.us."
I think it's probably a paper straw.
I think it is. I don't think it's a plastic one.
No.
It is a paper straw.
And I got
It's got the little turtles on it too.
I got the little paper straws in a Pop Sugar box one time. And I thought, they're shitty. They're never going to last. And they don't last a long time. But they do last. Enough for you to... Anyway, I'm Lisa.
Oh, sure.
And we'll see you later.